o'clock in the morning. He's up long before the break of dawn, and he's already...
My favorite thing about farming is the special bond you get with each and every person you work with, whether they're family or not. But at the end of the day, everybody becomes one big family, and you really cannot beat that.
Of the day. That's why God made a farmer to keep us between the rows, to work hard, love harder, and you'll reap what you sow. So when you say grace for the food on your plate, pray a little longer, 'cause that's why God made a farmer.
The best thing I like about farming is being able to come around, run all the equipment, try to learn all the things Dad knows, and hopefully someday be able to run the farm just like he does now.
He's tending to a newborn colt with a 2-quart bottle out in the barn 'cause he lost his mama. It's 2 weeks to harvest.
Everything about farming, getting in the tractor, planting some corn and beans. When I get in a pinch, everybody helps. Get things done, I guess. I'm getting done.
To work hard, love harder, and you'll reap what you sow. So when you say grace for the food on your plate, pray a little longer, 'cause that's why God made a farmer.
Hello!
Another week and still no rain, but he'll complain. He'll just plow right through it.
What's your favorite thing about farming?
Oh, well, I have to say, it's probably your mom checking my moisture before I dump my load.
In the rows, to work hard, love harder, and you'll reap what you sow. So when you say grace for the food
Take
on your plate,
7. What is your favorite thing about farming?
One of my favorite things about farming is that every day brings something different, so there's really never a boring day ever.
God made a farmer.